Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Goodbudget compares to other budgeting apps. Goodbudget is a personal finance app that helps you manage your money using a digital version of the envelope budgeting system. It's designed to be hands-on, encouraging you to be more intentional with your spending. One of the key differences between Goodbudget and many other apps is its primary focus on the envelope method. It's built around the idea of allocating your income into virtual envelopes for different spending categories, like groceries or bills. This is a contrast to apps that focus more on just tracking your spending after the fact. Compared to apps like Inab, where you need a budget, both use the envelope system, but Inab is often seen as more intensive and has a steeper learning curve. Goodbudget is generally considered a simpler, more straightforward option that still gets the job done. When you look at apps like Mint or PocketGuard, the biggest difference is bank syncing. While the paid version of Goodbudget offers automatic bank syncing, its free version is manual. Many other apps, like Mint, are known for automatically pulling in your transactions from your linked bank accounts, which is great for those who want less manual entry. Another unique feature of Goodbudget is its focus on sharing. It's built to be used by couples or families, allowing multiple users to access and update the same budget on different devices. This makes it a great tool for staying on the same page with your finances as a household. The free version of Goodbudget is a great way to start. It gives you a limited number of envelopes and accounts to get a feel for the system. For more features, like unlimited envelopes and automatic bank syncing, you can upgrade to a premium plan. So, in summary, Goodbudget stands out for its straightforward use of the envelope budgeting method and its strong focus on shared household budgets. It's a solid choice for those who want to be more hands-on with their money and for couples who want a shared financial tool. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.